look what he's doing up
No, he's not.
This is a breeding group. They are critically endangered, so we are hoping that they breed.
Sign. This way to close-up view of bats. Those not wanting to wish to see bats. Go this way. Look at you being Mr. Brave Man.
Oh my God, look at this lizard.
Oh my God, look at the lizard.
Maybe Jessica likes it.
It's a tree monitor. It looks like Mrs. Kimpling, but like a baby.
The summer is in, and so, and we have out. There's where are bats?
There's no window.
Where are the bats?
How about you stay out of sight? That would be nice.
Oh, there they are.
Oh my God, look at the bats. Look at the bats. Oh, they're so cool. Like real life. Oh my God. There's no freaking glass over these windows, guys. Oh my God.
There's little bats.
So we're in a bird cage.
What happens if you get hit by a bird?
We crash into a bird. They're flying pretty low. It's pretty cool. Do not poop on me.
Not appreciated. If you start walking.
I don't want to go under the butt.
One by here.
There's another one right there.
I don't. Oh.
Uh-oh.
You gotta look up. Whatever comes up has to come down, right?
Oh, yeah, look at the cute little bird bath. Everybody's taking a bath.
Come on.
I'm underneath a butt. It's bath time, everybody, or feeding time. How cute. This is actually really cute.
I like it. Yeah.
We gotta put you away because water.
Yeah, water. We're in Cali, Rapid.
That you did like.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
We've been waiting in the sun for like 30 minutes and we're sweating and it's hot.
So
We'll see you when we get out.
we're gonna get soaked. Your makeup is gone.
No, it's not.
It's going to be. Soon enough.
Enjoy while it lasts. Alright guys, we'll see you when we get out.
Alright, see ya.
Honestly guys, it's like,
Really hot.
it's okay. The ride is okay.
But at least we have these.
Right? I got a little wet. You survived, so obviously we didn't get soaked.
Yeah.
But I like it.
It's been a fun day actually.
It's been a relaxing day, I love it.
Yeah. It was fun. It was a lot of fun.
Really? I find it so,
Yeah, you don't get wet, man.
it's like tembuya. And then it just like lets you down, like,
But you got more wet than I did.
just my legs.
And your shirt.
Just very minimal. Nothing out of the ordinary.
Not like Popeye.
Not like Popeyes. Oh, look at her and her majesticness. Hold on, let me show you.
Oh my God. Take a picture.
Oh, there she is. The tree of life. Let me take a picture. Rafiki's Planet Watch. Yay! Whee. And then we'll be back to Kilimanjaro.
It's been a good day though.
It's been a nice day.
A nice sunny day.
It's just too close to the fast pass.
Yeah.
So, yeah. We'll be back. Here we come. Let's hop on the choo-choo train and get some learning. So he's never been on this.
I've never been in this ride before.
Please excuse this. I've been wearing glasses all day.
Why is it so blurry?
Because focus on you.
Of course, of me.
So full of himself today. Full of himself.
For sure. I rode Mount Everest for the first time. It was kind of tough, but I toughed it out. And then we did the rapids.
The rapids.
Yeah, it was fun.
And now we're here.
And now we're doing Rafiki's
Planet Watch.
Planet Watch. And we're in a train. I'm relaxing, yeah. Look, I got the cool shirt with our anniversary.
Our anniversary
Welcome
thing.
aboard the Wildlife Express. For a safe journey, please make sure we are remaining seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs
Hey, look,
inside the train
we're
at
doing
all
that
times. Parents, please help me supervise those children. And children, please help me supervise those parents.
What is this? Like, is
So
this?
this train is beginning motion, so there's no more standing.
A chameleon?
We're switching of seats. And for the comfort
Polynesian.
of those smoking, please.
Polynesian.
Now everyone wave bye to my friend there, Ashley, on the platform. Bye, Ashley. Bye. We'll see you later. Bye, Ashley. See you soon. Bye. Bye, Ashley.
I only see trees.
Now, once again, I would like to welcome everyone aboard the Wildlife Express. My name is Sam, and I will be your conductor. I'm back here in the back of the train. I can see from the first car to the last car, so please make sure we do remain seated. Now, James, our engineer up front, making sure we arrive safely to Rafiki Planet Watch. Now, once we do arrive, there are character meet and greets with Rafiki himself and his
Hey,
pals
look.
on accepted.
This
You can
Pia.
find our animal science and nutrition
Bunga,
center,
bully,
our petting yard known as the
busted.
affection section, and
The
if there's any
library.
wilderness explorers aboard the train today, there are 6 badges to collect. They start on page 21 of your guidebooks.
It's a nice
I
little,
like this, man.
it's a nice little relaxation. You know, getaway.
You're trying to talk and
Make
then
sure
he's
we're
like
remaining
honking the
seated.
horn.
It's okay. It's a nice relaxation.
Now, up ahead, you're going to see the nighttime homes of the Lions, Warthog, and Osaka. You might see some lions lounge around those cozy rocks, which are air conditioning in the summertime to keep our lions cooled off. Or maybe even some ostriches hanging alongside the train. Now, keep in mind that these ostriches look very confused,
Ostrich?
like they've
Inside
never
there?
seen a train in their whole entire life. Now, these animals are called in each note by a specific sound cue, whether that's a triangle, 2 pieces of wood being knocked together, or maybe even some
The
rocks
lions
being
are
tossed
in
around in a can. Now, when the animals have their specific sound cue, they do this.
Look at the ostrich.
Ostrich.
Now, this process can take over 3 hours each night, as we have over 1,500 animals here at Animal Kingdom. Rafiki's Planet Watch our one and only stop. So make sure we are remaining seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train until the train is fully stopped and a cast member has opened those doors up for you. Now, if you travel with a personal stroller today,
You saw the white rhino?
until after you're across those solid yellow safety lines there on
It
the
was
left.
pretty big.
We're gonna see plenty of those
Now, once again,
in the
this is
safari.
Rafiki's Planet Watch our one and only stop. So if you are planning on staying
Salt Lake.
aboard the train, you're going to be headed back to Africa. And along the way back, you're going to see some very interesting green leafy trees. And you might even get to see 3 Asian women.
That's it.
We're here. Over here wants to ride the train again.
I'm not a princess. I'm a king.
Good one. That's
Yeah.
a good one, right?
Yeah,
That's
right?
a good one. It's a good one.
Yeah, you're the queen, right?
Ooh, yes, I am a queen.
Let's blow some air.
A queen is hot. You know, wear makeup at your own risk because you're gonna sweat it off. Because it's
Yep.
so hot. It's just the eyebrows though.
Is that mine what?
The eyebrows.
Welcome aboard the travels
It
forward,
rides the
backwards,
whole
and
animal
down
kingdom.
and up to 55 miles per hour.
I'm just kidding.
Also in Asia, location you can find Collar River Raft instead. It's a whitewater rafting adventure where you're gonna
round 2. Actually, yeah, it's round 2.
We're gonna go to Rafiki's Planet Watch. He just wanted to ride the train.
Yeah. Never rode it though.
Mr. King over here. We arrived. Yes.
Getting whooped by
Taking a walk on the wild side here. Oh yeah. Let us begin. I haven't been in here in forever. Oh my god, I just... Oh. Amazing. The walls are amazing. Oh, let's get a selfie with Rafiki. It's Grandmother Willow. I love it. Good lighting.
really good lighting.
We're at Rafiki's Planet Watch and we're in these little rooms that they have behind Rafiki, and we just listened to the Song of the Rainforest, narrated by Grandmother Willow from Bahamas.
Alright, let's go.
Your head, I said your hand. Not that. Stick your hand.
You need to stick my hand in there.
Just knowing that it moves, I don't think so. I don't think so.
Web.
Look how cool a spider.
She almost hurt. What's in here? Oh my god,
Look,
at
another
this
one
green
right
lizard.
here. I mean, they're gross, but cool.
Look at this monster.
It's not a monster. It's beautiful. What is it? He's a caiman lizard.